Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Valiant to assist a Monroe student in debt. Now the artist made efforts to reach out to student Marcus Sterling after TVJ's Primetime News broke the story yesterday that the Monroe student owed outstanding fees amounting to over $350,000 due to the illness of his father. Valiant, in speaking with E-Prime, says the story touched him. Now Valiant over the weekend released his latest and most inspirational track, Muhammad.
Look how long we a fight, dog. Call me a fighter. Survivor. True definition of a diamond. The amount of pressure when me get, me wiser. Still singing from your heart at the island.
Dancehall Queen Spice says it's all business with her social media. The ever-viral queen, who was the guest speaker at Flow Innovation over the weekend, shared on her strategy in getting to over 4 million Instagram followers.
Now between me and Uno now, you think me really want to take my money and rent camel, lion, tiger, and spend all this money to create this beautiful video? I love money bad, I could have keep it in my pocket. But you have to spend to create that eye-catching content that people love. And that is how it got me to 4 million followers, because people like to see things that looks appealing. So don't be afraid to do that with your business. Go above and beyond. I flew to Miami to shoot this video, and no, I won't disclose how much I spent, but the lion cost me, the camel cost me, the white horse cost me, and the lake when we depart it never free.
Spice also shared her secret to maintaining her presence on social media.
This is another thing from the brand Spice that I created as Queen of Dancehall. If you read the hashtags that I use, I put Queen of Dancehall, I put Spice, I put music, I put Jamaica, I put Dancehall, I put Reggae, I put Spice Official. Why did I use all these hashtags? So if you notice, I use hashtag Spice in case someone just come in on Instagram and want to search for Spice, or if they want to search for new music, or if they want to search for dancing, or if they want to just search for songs.
Good lessons there from the ever-viral queen of dancehall. Media mogul Tyler Perry blanks at US $3 billion BET network price tag. Now, news circulated last week that the Emmy winner had purchased the network. However, this is yet to be substantiated by Perry or BET. Reports from the New York Post are that Perry, to date, has not yet agreed to the $3 billion plus that Paramount is asking in an auction for black entertainment television, and the first haggling has begun to throw the sale into doubt. Now, Perry is the frontrunner to win the auction for BET Group, whose properties include cable channels BET and VH1, along with streaming service BET Plus. Now, the filmmaker, who already owns 25% in BET Plus, and BET has a private equity backing his offer. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.